Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today we netted some greenies off the beach, loaded up the cooler so that we could go fish another spot. We decided to try to fish the spot that we caught the greenies at, this little concrete pier. Couldn't really hook up, so we decided to load all of the bait into the truck and go try to hook up at a different spot.
So anyways, we just caught some bait. Had a rough time kind of getting off the beach. A local kind of told us where they were at, so threw the net a bunch, got some bait. Now we're gonna head over to like another public place to fish, but there's been some snook out there, so we're just gonna try to check that out. Anything you want to add?
We're gonna be doing a lot of snook, redfish, and that's what we pretty much do, snook and red fishing. So
maybe some bigger fish like tarpon.
Yeah, tarpon every once in a while.
Every once in a while, but we're just getting back into the sport. We've been out of the game for a little bit, but we'll see what we can get on today.
Yep.
Move your hand. Little guy. Sweet. Looking right in the hard part of the mouth. Beautiful little fish. Nice, buddy. Nice, good release on him.
Go over here.
Yeah, okay. Careful now. He might not even need to be revived.
Cutting.
Yeah. See if we'll go.
Okay.
Nice, dude.
Fuck. I think he broke me off. Yeah, he broke me off. I'm gonna tie up. Let me know if you get one. I'll come over there. Come on, get him out from underneath there, Owen.
Here he comes. Little guy.
Come over here.
Yeah, he's not ready yet. Look, he's heading right for you. Oh, the hook pulled.
It's good. It's all good.
Yeah.
They're here. Let's do it again. I gotta retie.
Okay.
Alright guys, as you can see I broke off. Trying on a new hook. Owen's hooked up again. Last one, he spit his hook. He's got him wrapped though, so let's see if he can't get him out. See if he can't get him out.
He's on the other side of the pole.
On my boots. You got him out. Welcome. Okay, he's back on him. Last one spit the hook. Let's see if he can't get this one landed. There he is.
Yeah, little guy.
There he is, little guy, but it all works.
Yeah, oh yeah. These little guys are so rambunctious.
As I was saying, guys, I broke off. Owen got his hook spit. I'm about to tie back up. Owen just landed a fish. Nice fish, Owen.
Thanks, buddy. Perfect hook set. Hooks work great. It's just getting them out of the corner of their mouth. There we go. There's that nice little guy. Get a quick release on him and see if they can hook up again. Actually gonna go down here for the release. Alright, so one thing about catching snook, especially on light tackle, is they'll fray your line because their gill plates are very sharp and their mouths, the corner of their mouths and basically their whole mouth is really abrasive. So
see if I can't get on one, guys.
Watch Nate hook up real quick, kind of to see what he's doing. You got something on? So that other spot over here has been working out for me. Over here, so I'm gonna go over there.
He's got him.
Nice. Chase him down.
Just a little guy.
That's okay. Nice, dude.
So
oh, my bait's out of the water. Nice.
just a
Nice little guy.
Me
Yeah.
chasing him.
Hooked up. Nice little snook. We'll get a quick little release. Just watch that line there, Nate. If you don't mind handing that to me real quick, actually.
Ready, little buddy?
He seemed pretty.
Very good. Right in the sewer. Took us a little bit, guys, but we finally got on them. We know where they're at, so.
Nice catch, Nate.
See if we can't get on another one. I don't think you sprayed me up too bad.
Alright, so it looks like Nate just hooked. Yeah, yep. Looks like Nate just hooked up on another little guy.
Just a little guy.
Well, we'll grab the net for him so he doesn't have to. Yeah. We'll get the net for him so he doesn't have to try to land him. Coming up.
Trying to go in.
Alright, just bring him back. Oh yeah, super little guy. Nice. Try not to let him bang his head against the concrete or anything like that.
Just a little fella.
Keep him up for a second. Nice.
Get the release.
Yep.
And he fell.
It is
It is what it is. So what happened, guys, is I just sat here and I fished it up underneath the first one right here. I felt them run, and Owen was about to pack up, so I was just reeling him in, about to throw him off, and he came up, smacked it, got him in, landed him.
And got a nice release on him, so.
Got a little fish. Small but good. Started off the morning pretty rough. Went out, struggled to find bait, found some bait. Ended up breaking the strap that holds down the cooler right here on this cart.
That's our live well.
And-
So basically, when that happened, all of our bait went all over.
It went all over the ground.
Yeah,
Had to
it
pick
was-
it back up.
Rushed to get water.
So it was a rough start, but
We ended up going to another place to try to see if we could hook up. Didn't really have any luck there. Stopped by McDonald's, got some breakfast.
hit the
out-
local boat ramp.
Yeah, yeah.
Ended up
kinda-
getting one or two.
Right, and then
right next to the local boat ramp, there's a little secret spot that I fished for years. We decided to stop there, and we hooked up on some fish.
I caught 2 jack and I think 6 snook.
Yeah, I think I've caught probably 3 snook or so. I really focused on filming today. This is our first video, so I just was kind of getting to know the ropes. But other than that, it was a good day. I mean, we caught a lot of small fish, but that's just how it is sometimes, you know? We weren't really prepared to hook up on anything too big anyways. So, at least I wasn't.
Right.
But, well, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. We're looking at doing at least 1 video a week. We don't know how consistent that's going to be, but
at least 1 a week.
Yeah.
If not, if we can do more, we'll do more.
Like, we plan on doing, you know, tutorials, you know,
Tarpon, redfish,
yeah, just
snook.
a bunch of just random stuff, you know. So
Every once in a while, we'll catch
eventually,
something like jack.
this channel will have a boat. We just don't know how long that's going to be. So, anyways, but
Thank you guys for watching.
thank you very much. Catch you
And
next time.
Catch you next time.